Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. I've been thinking for a while. Can't I get live subscriber count of an YouTuber using Python? So turns out I can do it. So I use a website called Social Blade to get live subscriber count or to see my stats of YouTube. So I thought there must be an Social Blade API. Yes, there is a social blade API, so I thought let's install that and use it to get live subscriber count. So let's do that. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Without any further delay, let's have fun with code. First, let's install the module. Let's say pip install social blade. And I've already installed the module, so it says requirement already satisfied. First, let's import the module from Social Blade import YouTube channel, and then we are going to pass the channel's ID. So let's say ID equal to YouTube channel and then the ID. So after this, to get live subscriber count, let's say ID dot live subscriber count generator, and we can say this. Let's create a for loop here for I in id dot subscribe live subscriber count. Let's say print I, and that's it, we are done. Now let's run the program, wait for a while, and there you go, we have live subscriber count, and it will go on until you stop the program. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.